Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off family-friendly mode in Clash Royale 2025, step by step. If you've been trying to disable the filter to see or use certain chat features, this guide is for you. So make sure to watch until the end to avoid missing any important step. First is open your Clash Royale app. After opening, go to the menu section. Click the settings. Next is tap the more settings. And here is the very important part: you cannot turn off the family friendly once the clan mark as family friendly is permanent. If you want to remove it, there is one option: go to the clan section and join for a clan that now mark as a family friendly. How to know if the clan is not a family friendly? See the name of the clan on below. If you cannot see the green, it means the clan is not a family friendly. And that's it. You've now successfully turned off family-friendly mode in Clash Royale for 2025. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss more quick Clash Royale tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.